All right, now we're doing 8Q simple multiplication. This is by Grace 555 and 92% of people like it. So this kata is about multiplying a given number by 8 if it is an even number and by 9 otherwise. All right, so this is going to go over something. Okay, so to solve this, we're going to do an if statement. We're going to say if, and we're going to say number. If number is odd, so first thing first, we have to figure out how to figure out if it's odd, all right? So if it's odd, this is a very important thing. If it's odd, this will always be true, okay? No matter what. If it's an integer and it's odd, this will be true. Because, like, think about the number 3, right? 3 divided by 2 would be 1.5, or 1 remainder 1, right? So number remainder operator 2, if that's true, then no matter what, it's going to be odd. So we're going to say return. What are we doing? Number times 9. And if not, we're just going to say return number times 8. So let's test this out. And just like that. And let's attempt it. Make sure there's no tricks. No, that's good. All right. And that, as you see, does work, but there's another way to do this. There's plenty of ways to do this, but there's another way that's a little bit less typing, right? We can use the conditional or ternary operator, which is the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands: a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. And this operator is frequently used as an alternative to if-else statements. So, as an alternative to that, all we got to do is say const here, simple multiplication equals number, and we're putting it in concise syntax for this, and then we're just going to have an arrow right here. To save space, I'm just going to put it down here. We're going to say if number remainder operator 2, so if it's odd, we'll say number times 9, else number times 8. And let's see if this works. And just like that. So if you're fresh and you didn't know anything, you learned 2 things today. All right, or maybe even 3. Who knows? Who knows? Infinite potential. All right, attempted. It's good. Submit it. And here we go. Pretty much exactly what we did, except for it's even cooler because they knew we were always going to multiply by the number. So basically, if we're just saying n times, if n is odd, 9, or if it's even, 8. Oh, I love that one. We should have did it this way, but whatever. And then here's this way, and it's great. And, you know, you can just check out all the rest of them if you feel like it. Let's go over to mine. Just 200 of us plus these folks. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like it. And we'll see you next time.